Let's make Subway chocolate chip cookies. Take room temperature butter. Add the sugars. Mix until creamy. Add egg, vanilla extract. Mix well. Add the dry ingredients sifted. Mix well to form the dough. Add some chopped walnuts and lots of chocolate chips chunks. Make half tablespoon balls if you want crunchy cookies, or 1 tablespoon balls for cute big flat cookies. Give enough space between each ball. Add some extra chocolate chips on top and freeze well before baking. Bake for 10 to 13 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Let cool for 5 to 7 minutes. Then cool on a cooking rack. Enjoy and follow me for more recipes.